will study about the Cry-Do-Chat syndrome. Cry-Do-Chat means the cat's cry. Cry-Do-Chat syndrome, also known as chromosome 5 pair deletion syndrome. And in this diagram, you can see the deleted region, Cry-Do-Chat chromosome 5 pair deleted. Its name is French term cat cry or call of the cat, referring to the characteristic cat-like cry of affected children. The characteristic cry affected infant, which is similar to that of mewing kitten, due to the problem with the larynx. The larynx is not developed properly. The symptoms include the microcephaly, normal brain size, and brain size with the Cry-Do-Chat syndrome. You can see in this diagram how the brain area affected in Cry-Do-Chat syndrome. Normally develop outer ear, pinna, abnormal size, shape and rotation and or location of the pinna. You can see. Symptoms include babies with Cry-Do-Chat are usually small at birth and may have respiratory problem. Often the larynx does not develop correctly, which cause the signature cat-like cry. Mental retardation, small head, microcephaly and small jaw, called as micrognathia. Downward slant of the eyes, wide set eyes, abnormally shaped position ear, wave finger or toys, single line in the palm of the hand, hanging skin in front of the ears, slow or incomplete development of the basic skill. Cry-Do-Chat is caused by a deletion on the short arm of the chromosome 5p. The length of the deletion may vary. The multiple genes are missing as a result of this deletion and each may contribute to the symptoms of the disorder. One of the deleted genes known to be involved is HTERT, means human telomerase reverse transcriptase. HTERT helps to keep the information in DNA functioning properly. If the HTERT is damaged, mental illness such as Cry-Do-Chat occur. Inheritance of Cry-Do-Chat syndrome. The deletion that causes Cry-Do-Chat syndrome is caused by a dominant trait. CTNND2 is an important gene that is lost when a portion of the 5-pair chromosome is deleted. And what is the function of this CTNND2 gene? Usually make the delta catenin protein, and this protein work in the nervous system and help with the cell movement. The loss of CTNND2 may cause several brain damage in some patients. Diagnosis. Doctor most often identify Cry-Do-Chat by looking at the patient's symptoms. Another method of diagnosing Cry-Do-Chat syndrome takes place while the baby is still in its mother's womb. Doctor can either test a teeny sample of tissue from outside the sac where the baby developed, or they can test a sample of the amniotic fluid, the protective liquid in the womb from which a baby gets nourishment. There is no specific treatment available for the disorder, so medical care is focused on the symptoms. Physical therapy is recommended to strengthen the muscle. To increase communication skill, a speech therapist can help the children learn to use a sign language. Approximately 90% of cases of Cry-Do-Chat syndrome result from a randomly occurring deletion. The remaining 10% occurs poorly by inheritance. Cry-Do-Chat syndrome occur in estimated 1 in 20,000 to 15,000 newborn. Cry-Do-Chat can occur in all races and in both genders, although there is a slight female predominance. The male to female ratio is 3:4. Approximately 30% of infants with Cry-Do-Chat have heart defects. About 1/3 of infants lost the cat-like cry at age 2. Interesting fact: the genetics Jerome Lejeune identified Cry-Do-Chat syndrome in 1963. He also discovered the genetic abnormality that causes Down syndrome. In 80% of Cry-Do-Chat cases, the chromosome carrying the deletion comes from the father sperm rather than the mother eggs. If pair of the chromosome don't line up correctly during metaphase in meiosis, the structure of chromosome can be changed. When this happens with chromosome 5, it causes Cry-Do-Chat. Cry-Do-Chat is the most common syndrome caused by deletion. Thank you.